Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Today I am back with another beautiful video. So my dear viewers, in this video I am going to share with you such a beautiful collection of Christmas centerpieces. All the ideas are very charming, beautiful and adorable. So my dear viewers, I hope you like my this video. In this video you will see beautiful ideas about Christmas centerpieces for your home decoration. I hope you love this video. It is specially designed for me. Thank you for supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep support me, keep liking my videos. Don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.